Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how we can make chana soup, step by step. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Take about 1 cup of dried chickpeas and give them a good rinse. Then, place them in a bowl and cover them with about 3 cups of fresh water. Let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours. This crucial step softens the chickpeas, making them much easier and quicker to cook later on. Once your chickpeas are beautifully plump from soaking, drain and rinse them one more time. Transfer them to a large pot. Add about 4 cups of fresh water and a small pinch of salt. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 1 to 2 hours until they are perfectly tender. If you have a pressure cooker, you can cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes after the first whistle. Now let's build the heart of our soup's flavor. In a separate pot, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes beautifully golden and translucent. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon each of minced ginger and garlic, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, followed by 1 cup of diced tomatoes, cooking until soft. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your tender, cooked chickpeas, along with their flavorful cooking liquid, into the pot with your aromatic base. Stir everything well to combine. Let the soup gently simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro, and serve your delicious chana soup hot with rice or warm bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.